Let's solve this example using integration by substitution. In this case, notice that it is a ratio between two factors. So apparently it doesn't look like a multiplication, but remember that the division is simply the inverse function of a multiplication, and we can move this denominator to the numerator by changing the sign of the exponent. Therefore, we can use the integration by substitution. In order to determine which one will be our u, let's compare both factors. The first one is a quadratic function. The second one is a cubic function which at the same time is elevated to the fifth exponent. Therefore, this one is the most complex. And because this is the most complex, it would be recommended to consider this inner function as u. Therefore, our u is 8x to the third plus 13. Then let's take the derivative with respect to x. So the derivative of u with respect to x is 24x squared, which means that dx is du divided by 24x squared. Now we can replace the original integration in terms of u and du. Let's write first the original integral. First, note that this part is u to the fifth. In the numerator, we have minus 576x squared. And we can replace dx with du divided by 24x squared. From here, we can cancel x squared and x squared. And this is minus 576 divided by 24 is 24 divided by u to the fifth du. Notice that we have now everything in terms of u. There is nothing in terms of x. Therefore, we chose correctly our u. We can move the constants out to integrate. But in order to make it clearer, let's move u to the numerator as u to the negative 5. Now let's integrate. Here we need to add 1 unit to the exponent. Minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4, which means that we will also divide by minus 4 plus the constant, because this is an indefinite integral. Minus 24 divided by minus 4 is equals to 6. So this is the integration as a function of u. However, the original expression is in function of x only. Therefore, we need to replace back in terms of x. So this will be 6 times u was 8x to the third plus 13, everything to the negative 4 plus the constant. And this will be the solution using integration by substitution.